Today I am going to share Bangladeshi Hilsha fish recipe. Hilsha fish dopeyaja recipe. Hilsha fish 3 pieces. Salt. Turmeric powder. Mix well. Rest for 10 minutes. Mustard oil 2 to 3 tablespoons. Fry them 2 minutes. Flip. Done. Take out fish. Black cumin 1/4 teaspoon. Green chili 4/5 piece. Fry few seconds. Onion 1.5 cup. Fry 2 minutes. Take out some onion. Fry them golden brown. Pinch of turmeric powder. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Fry few seconds. Add little bit water. Stir. Add fried Hilsha fish. Stir and flip. Add fried onion we take out before. Stir and mix. Add water as you needed. Salt to taste. Cover and cook. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.